player in the football formation asset allocation is companies that produce dividends. So what are dividends? So dividends are shares of the profits. So companies sell goods and services to people and take part of those, some of the money, as part of the profit. So think of the best way to describe this is like a chicken. So a chicken produces eggs, and eggs are similar to a company that produces dividends. Chickens produce eggs, and you can either eat the eggs or you can incubate them and get more chickens. So companies can produce profits like the eggs, and you can either take those profits and spend it on whatever you want, or you can take those dividends, those profits, and reinvest them into the company. And if you reinvest it into the company, you can buy more shares. So when you buy a company, you become like a shareholder, and you become, because you're a shareholder, you get given some of those profits. So this is a great way to build wealth over time. It's irrelevant, and it means it's irrelevant what's happening, the ups and downs of the market, because that's only half the story. The other half of the story is how much profit is a company producing. And the best way to describe it is like an egg and a chicken. So yeah, it's just to summarise, it's the right back of the team of the football formation asset allocation is companies that produce dividends. So companies that produce dividends is like utility companies. So think of energy companies, electricity companies, water companies, utility companies that do well in good times and bad times. So think of companies like medicine, or that if in a recession you're not going to buy medicine for your child because it's a recession. So these companies make profits in good times and bad times, and that's why it's a great to have this as part of your overall portfolio as a defensive